Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how we can promote Visit Nepal 2020. Let me start off with my introduction. It's a trademark introduction that I'm proud of. Hey guys, my name is Himal, like the Himalayas. I've been saying this exact introduction for the past 4 or 5 years in Australia. Every person I meet with, I say, hey guys, my name is Himal, like the Himalayas. Now, I might be saying that just to clarify how to pronounce my name, but in fact, I was promoting Visit Nepal 2020 before the whole campaign started. I was telling them, hey guys, my name is Himal, like the Himalayas, so they would know where the Himalayas are. They would know the Himalayas are in Nepal, and they would know I am from Nepal. They would ask more questions about Nepal. They would be like, oh, have you been to the Himalayas? Have you trekked the Himalayas? Have you been to Mount Everest? And I would say, no, I actually haven't, but I've been to Mustan. No, I actually haven't, but I've been to Dhading. No, I actually haven't, but I've been to Chitwan. And hence, I was promoting Visit Nepal from 2015 before Visit Nepal 2020 was even a thing. So hence, my trademark introduction is one of my first things that I've done to promote Visit Nepal 2020. Even now, when the campaign is running, I'm telling my friends, hey, come on in, come to the Himalayas, come to visit the Himalayas with me, come to visit Nepal with me. And I myself plan to visit Nepal in the next few months as well. Now, how we can do this ourselves is that it's not just about tourists. It's not about visiting Nepal just for foreigners who come into Nepal. It's for the Nepalis ourselves as well. What we need to do is, we need to go out there. We need to explore our own country. So when we go outside, when we talk to others, we can tell them about our experience. We can tell them how it felt like. We can tell them as we looked at the pristine scene of the Rara Lake, how we felt inside, how peaceful it felt, and how contemplative we were feeling. We could tell them how blue the water looked. We can tell them about the white mountains, and we can tell them about how the people are living in that area. We can tell them about the food. We can tell them how good it tasted, and we can persuade them to come into Nepal. Hence, we ourselves need to go visit our own country, and I plan to do so in the next few months. Now, there's the whole rise of social media is also one of the things that we need to be really and we need to take an advantage of. Now, when we go to visit those places ourselves, we take beautiful pictures. We take pictures with ourselves smiling in them. We take pictures of others. We take pictures of the little girl walking to school with a happy smile on her face. We take pictures of people getting to enjoy that experience. We take pictures of the local people. We take pictures of animals, birds, plants. We take pictures. And that's the thing. By taking pictures and by sharing them, can we share the beauty of Nepal? Can we share how heavenly it feels to be in this country? And we can share others, we can persuade others to come visit Nepal 2020. I myself have been contributing a lot by talking to people, by telling them about my experience. When I share whenever there's a Visit Nepal 2020, I share it instantaneously. The reason for that is only when you know about something. So let me give you an example. When you go, when you're seeing a sale on a supermarket, now you might not normally buy that item, but when you see it's on 50%, you're more persuaded to buy that. When you see it on 30%, you start thinking. The same concept applies to Visit Nepal 2020. When people know that it's an experience, when people know that it's a campaign, when people know that they'll be getting something out of it by visiting Nepal right now, they'll be more likely to come to Nepal. They'll be more likely to come visit this place. And hence, we need to we need to put all our efforts in sharing this campaign. And I myself have been starting from 2015. Thank you, everyone. My name is Himal, like the Himalayas, and hope you all visit Nepal 2020. Thank you.